Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the Cornstarch deep conditioner hair masks. So this is how I make my cornstarch gel. So I added 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch powder into water, and I didn't do any measurements. I just used my eyes and did what was going to be enough for my hair. So I kept mixing on low heat till I got this consistency and it was perfect. So I just went ahead and poured into a bowl. I didn't need to sieve it or any of that because my cornstarch was really very smooth with no lumps. So now I'm going to be telling you the benefits of cornstarch deep conditioner hair masks to the hair as I apply it on my hair. Cornstarch gel is a natural conditioner that makes your hair smooth and shining. Cornstarch gel is also a detangling agent. It has a slip that makes your hair more manageable and easy to detangle. Cornstarch gel is a coil definer. It defines and elongates your natural coils. As you can see, my natural coils came out and it was popping, and I was wild with the amazing result I was seeing. Cornstarch gel helps to stretch your hair and it also reduces frizz. It prevents breakage because of its detangling and conditioning properties. Cornstarch gel reduces product buildup. The gel can actually remove product buildup from your hair. So after you rinse your hair, you will find out that the product buildup and dirt are all gone. Cornstarch gel is a moisturizing agent. It helps to keep your hair moisturized for a longer period of time, especially when mixed with flaxseed gel and olive oil. Thanks to its hygroscopic properties, it will allow to nourish the hair by making it softer, shinier, and especially silkier. It also acts on the blood microcirculation and also stimulates hair growth. So my hair was already washed before I started applying the cornstarch gel on my hair. So after application, you see the fact that I tried to use my fingers for detangling first before I went in with my detangling brush. The coily defining properties of this cornstarch gel is amazing. The way it defined my coils got me really happy. If you're a DIY girly like me or you're looking to really grow your hair out, you should give DIYs like this a try. Cornstarch gel is one DIY that you should really give a try. So I was done with the application, so I just went ahead to put my hair in twist and put it in a polythene bag and put on my satin hair bonnet to get that heat all in my hair to allow the cornstarch deep conditioner penetrate into my strands. And I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. If you want, you can leave it as long as you wish, but I always leave my deep conditioning hair marks on my hair for 30 minutes before I go ahead to rinse it all out. So here I'm back and I rinsed out the cornstarch gel off my hair. My hair was still looking really shiny and I love that for me. So I went in with my VO5 conditioner, left it on my hair for 10 minutes and I rinsed it off. And this is how my hair is looking after all of that process. You can see I still have some coils thanks to the cornstarch gel. I love it. I love the result. It's super amazing. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on the notification bell icon so that anytime I post a video you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.